Hi there, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I have few office outfit ideas that are suitable for all seasons. With that, I'm also sharing few tips and tricks that are going to help you to elevate your office outfits with the existing pieces that you have. These outfits are easy to create and I'm sure you already have pieces similar to this in your wardrobe. For that, I'm creating 5 outfits Monday to Friday, and with that, I'm sharing 5 tips that you can utilize to your existing pieces and create outfits similar to that. So I hope you get some idea. You can experiment with the existing pieces that you have in your wardrobe. Do leave me some feedback in the comment section below how you liked them, and with that, let's begin.
I love button down shirts. They are supremely comfortable and very easy to dress up and down, especially the ones that has unique details like this one. For Monday, I'm going for an all white outfit. I'm pairing this high waist trousers with this pleated blouse. It has bishop sleeves and cinched at the wrist. It adds a very nice texture to the overall outfit. And with that, I'm pairing these beige ballerinas, which has a little bit of brown detail to add a contrast to the overall outfit. One tip here is whenever you are trying to choose your outfit, at least one piece of the outfit should have some kind of unique designs so that it adds a little depth to the outfit. Otherwise, a all white outfit can look very boring. For accessories, I'm going for a minimal watch, gold rings, and this brown bag to finish up the look. For days that are piled with meetings, we need something that makes us feel both confident and comfortable. Whenever in doubt, go for a play suit. Tuesday, I'm wearing this very beautiful lavender colored play suit. The trousers are belted and the blazer is lapelless, which adds a very unique touch to the outfit. I'm folding up the sleeves to add a little bit of negative space in the outfit. The play suit covers 90% of the outfit, so here we want to go for a color that's lighter and not something very loud, because any loud color can actually overwhelm the overall outfit. So I have chosen a lilac color. So the tip here is to pay attention to the proportion of the outfit while choosing colors. I'm pairing it with a gold watch to add some warmth to the outfit, and wearing the same shoes and carrying a structured black bag to complete the outfit. Bodysuits and skirts are, I think, match made in heaven. I'm pairing this black bodysuit with this pleated skirt which has some geometrical designs, and with that I'm pairing this black sandals and black structured bag to complete the look. I love the sweetheart neckline that the bodysuit has. And the full sleeves can be quite comfortable in a chilled AC environment. I think your office wardrobe should have at least one skirt that you can easily go to. Tip here is to find skirts that are not boring and has some unique designs like pleats or geometric pattern, and you are bound to rock it. We all have those days when we constantly snooze the alarm and wake up with only 15 minutes in our hand to get ready. And for those days, I feel a dress is the perfect answer, because dresses are very easy to style and yet they make us look very confident and professional. Here I'm pairing a pink dress which has long sleeves and the length of the dress is just above the ankle. Pairing it with a beige blazer and folding the sleeves, just leaving a little bit of the dress to peek through, and completing the look with minimal watch and a structured bag. The tip here is to combine one casual piece with one formal piece to create a more balanced outfit. Fridays are casual for me. I'm pairing this midi denim skirt with one of my husband's pink striped shirt. I think pink and blue are going really well together. And then I'm adding a belt to tie the look together. I am unbuttoning a few buttons and rolling up the collar. to create a little bit of negative space so that my collarbone area is visible. With that, I'm pairing it with the beige ballerina and brown bag to complete the look. I feel for Fridays looks like these are perfect, and you can definitely search out for your husband's or brother's, father's wardrobe to see if there are pieces that you can also utilize.
So these were the 5 outfit ideas that I could create with the existing pieces that I have. I hope you can get some idea and inspiration from the pieces that I showed and do experiment with whatever you have. If you like the video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and also share with your friends and family, and do consider subscribing to my channel again. And thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you again soon.